What's up, people? Good news, good news. Me and my team, we're ready to release Transformations, the story of Anthony Colon, how I transformed my life from the gutters, from the mud, growing up in the Bronx, drugs, prison, havoc, structure, all that shit that I created and been through. There's a story of how I overcame it all. I make no excuses for my life. I don't wish to change anything. It made me who I am. It got me to where I'm at today. I hope that you find some inspiration in our story, and realize that if I can do it, that if I can recover, that I can go with 10 years without a drug, without a drink, so can you. If I can go back without going back to fucking prison, so can you. So please tune in, follow us, man. Transformation, Success After Lockdown is coming to you real soon. It's a story that's close to the heart. Be out.